Hi, I'm Mrs. Carrie Lobdell, and I am the kindergarten teacher at Colonial Christian Schools. I've been teaching kindergarten for 4 years, and I've been actually in education for over 30 years. Just a couple of things with communication. My email is lobdell, Lobdell, .k@colonialchristian.org. We all need to get on Remind because that will be the easiest form of communication, and you'll need to know on remind.com. Our class name is Colonial K5 2020. Colonial K5 2020, and the key to get connected is this DE469B, and it sounds a lot harder than it is. It's really easy, and I wrote it on the board, but it's backwards, so that won't help. So it is DE469B, and that should get us connected. And we can text, we can have all kinds of communication through Remind, and that is the best way. A couple of things thinking about the dress code. Last year, the kindergartners started out wearing the leather belts that you can buy at our clothing store, but the problem was with kindergartners, they really had problems getting those belts off. So we do not want the leather kind. If you bought it already, you can exchange it or do something different, because that doesn't work. We need to get them off in a hurry sometimes, and that didn't work. Also, if you are online, you need to have on your uniform shirt every day as you listen to the classroom and as we go through everything. Then you need to make sure you have a workspace if you're going to be learning online. So every day, meet in a place, a desk, something where they know that they're get to work and to listen and do the right thing when they are there. So that would be very helpful. First quarter, we do tests, we do practice tests, but the tests don't actually count as a grade. So just keep that in mind as if you're online, and when you're in class, I'll explain it much better. I'm looking forward to teaching. I love teaching kinders how to read, and I really want them to have a successful year, and I hope that I see all of you when we can see each other and spend some time together. But I will see the kids next Monday, and I'm so looking forward to it. Thank you.